Hi, it's Steve Ellis from England here with an irregular verb quiz for B1, B2 learners. Fill in the spaces using a verb from those on the right. There's one extra you won't need. Remember to change it to the correct form. There are 11 questions. Have you ever to New Zealand? I hear it's great. I have never first class, always economy. My best friend has in love for the second time this year. Goose is the strangest food I worked yesterday very late. I have never a really expensive car. He not to go to university. I have never pomegranate juice. Does it taste nice? I myself how to ride a bicycle many years ago. My father, many beautiful pictures when he was a child. The sun all day yesterday. So how do you think you did? Okay, let's look at the answers. Have you ever been to New Zealand? I hear it's great. I have never flown first class, always economy. My best friend has fallen in love for the second time this year. Goose is the strangest food I've eaten. I left work yesterday very late. I have never driven a really expensive car. You chose not to go to university. I have never drunk pomegranate juice. Does it taste nice? I taught myself how to ride a bicycle many years ago. My father drew many beautiful pictures when he was a child. The sun shone all day yesterday. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video and found it useful. Please remember to subscribe so you're able to see more videos. See you again soon. Bye from me.